All right, Antonio, what are you doing to this bumper on Herbie?
I'm trying my best to clay bar it. I also did the grill, so the grill is going to pop and blind many oncoming traffic.
All right, and who is this lovely lady you brought with you?
That is my fiance.
All right, and what's your name?
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah. And you keep him in line?
Yeah.
You got an,
I try to.
you got an impossible job. Right, Antonio? Yeah, you admit it. Anyway, Antonio's going to clay bar this and make it look really good. And we're going to go ahead and start working with Jeff on my nemesis, which happens to be door latches. So anyway, this is what we're doing today, folks. We will complete Herbie today, all except for the stickers on the side. But otherwise, Herbie will be taking on a nice test run today. All right, folks. Yes, I did say Antonio could sign it. We have Jeff signed it. I, of course, signed it. And then we had Nick, the Ford mechanic that did a lot of the finalized work on it. I put a MACT on there, and then my message to my daughter. And then Aaliyah signed right here, and Wes, the parts guy that helped us dramatically with everything. We have this, and this bumper cover is going on because we're going to put hood struts, and I'll have a video on that. And then we got just to replace this part right here when that comes in. That'll be simple. And put the bumper cover back on. And we will be done with Herbie predominantly. We got a few other things we have to do, but we're going to finish Herbie up today. 99.5% of Herbie will be done. All right, we got Herbie nearing completion. And this is one thing that we did put on Herbie. Check that out. Yeah, buddy. We got the red line tuning struts installed. Pretty simple. Really decent directions. Keep in mind, hot rivets are pretty monstrous. So if you want to do that, make sure you got a good gun. I had to grunt a little bit. Didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
I was grunting, yeah.
Yeah.
8 grunts altogether.
Yep.
Because I had to do 4 at each side. So anyway, laughed at me the whole time. That's what she did. But now I figure when Mercy Girl wants to do it, she can just grab it here and pull it down. But yep, good and solid. We don't have to worry about it. The prop rod ain't in the way anymore. And we're pretty much calling it quits, folks, because we got the tube. That's right. Look at that, brand new, hot off the press. Herbie is all done with the engine work. That was the final part. We got some work here with Jeff putting a valance underneath back together. We got the bumper getting put on for the final time, and I don't know. Is there anything else to do?
Drive it.
Drive it. Drive it. And no, you are not driving it.
Yes.
So get out of the driver's seat.
Oh, yeah.
You're not driving it. You are banned from driving Herbie.
Nope. I will drive race this until it falls in a million pieces.
You're overtaking my car and you're not going to drive it. But we do have the APIM and the door latch and the remote start. Remote start even works, don't it? Don't start it. He's underneath the car.
I want to show him that thing.
Well, so, yeah, we got the APIMs working and Sync 3. I'm guessing Mercy Girl's going to have a good time, isn't she? So, you think she's got a good car, Antonio?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take this from her.
No.
Give it to me. Yeah. You got to.
This is 8 to 10 years for her. This is like 8 to 10 days for you.
What? Wait.
That's how long it'd take you to tear it up.
Wait, what?
Anyway.
Wait, what?
Yeah, wait, what? You agree, right? Yeah, 8 to 10 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. Antonio, you are my favorite train wreck. Okay? I'll leave it at that. Anyway, folks, Herbie's done, and following this short video, you may find us on a drive to Dairy Queen to give Herbie a good run after we digest our lunch. Then we'll go for Dairy Queen. But either way, we're going to take Herbie for a nice test run once we get the final touches on the front bumper that Jeff is working hard to replace. And we're good. We do have to go buy gas. It's got 2-year-old gas in the tank, so I think I'll freshen it up with a full tank. Might be good. So, and if it's Antony, he'd probably try to fill it up with high test, but I know for a fact the gas station here does not have that. Go.
First road trip. Going to Owine for ice cream and fuel. And a brand new Herbie. Antonio wanted to drive. We've thought better of it. And Bill's driving.
Coming up behind us after a bit. Okay, we're going to Owine to the Dairy Queen.
Gotcha.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.